Welcome back to Quiet Stories from Scripture. Today we'll hear about a man named Zacchaeus, a tax collector who climbed a tree just to see Jesus. His story reminds us that no one is beyond God's love, and that meeting Jesus changes everything. Jesus was passing through the city of Jericho. Crowds lined the streets to see him. Among them was Zacchaeus, the chief tax collector. He was wealthy, but also despised, because tax collectors often cheated people. Zacchaeus wanted to see Jesus, but he was short and couldn't see over the crowd. So he ran ahead and climbed up into a sycamore tree to get a better view. When Jesus came to that place, he looked up and said, "Zacchaeus, come down immediately. I must stay at your house today." Zacchaeus hurried down and welcomed him joyfully. But the people muttered, "He has gone to be the guest of a sinner." Then Zacchaeus stood and said to the Lord, "Look, Lord, here and now I give half of my possessions to the poor. And if I have cheated anyone, I will pay back 4 times the amount." Jesus said to him, "Today salvation has come to this house, because this man too is a son of Abraham. For the Son of Man came to seek and to save the lost." This story teaches us 3 powerful lessons. Jesus sees us where we are. Zacchaeus thought he was just hiding in a tree to catch a glimpse of Jesus. But Jesus noticed him and called him by name. He sees us too, even when we feel overlooked. Jesus welcomed sinners. The crowd grumbled because Zacchaeus was known for dishonesty. Yet Jesus chose to stay at his house. No matter our past, Jesus invites us into fellowship with him. Meeting Jesus transforms us. Zacchaeus' life changed instantly. He went from greed to generosity, from taking to giving, from sinner to forgiven. That's the power of an encounter with Christ. Zacchaeus climbed a tree to see Jesus and ended up finding salvation. His story reminds us that Jesus came to seek and save the lost. And that includes you and me. Thank you for joining me for today's story. If it encouraged you, please like this video, share it, and subscribe to Quiet Stories from Scripture for more family-friendly Bible stories. God bless you, and I'll see you in the next video.